Good everyone, welcome once again to my channel, Great Check, and once again this is Jerry, and we are still continuing with our series of exploring the beautiful features of Windows 10. So if you are new to this channel, you can strike your subscribe button and your notification bell so that you will be notified if I have new videos uploaded to my channel. If you want to continue, if you want to follow my series, then you will be notified if there are updates, especially in the series, and then you will get notified. So in this video, I'm gonna share to you how to protect your privacy. So one of the things that we are careful about is our privacy, where we go, who we are, and what we are doing, and some other stuffs that pertain to our privacy, and we need to keep that up to protect that. So one of the ways to protect our privacy, especially when it comes to using our computer, because the Microsoft really tracks us in our choices, in our interest, and whatever we do on our PC, as long as we are using Windows 10, they could track us. But they could also have the option, they give us the options to either we want to be tracked, we want to send our information, our personal life, our privacies, or personal information to the Microsoft, or whatever activities that we have in our computer. If you want to have it sent to the Microsoft company, then you have the options. But if you don't want it to, so you can also have that option. So what we should do is we just have to press our Windows key and then type privacy. So the Windows 10, the Microsoft company gives us this feature in our Windows 10, so that we have the choice. Though they could track us if they want it, but because they want us to choose if we want to send information of all the activities that we have on our PC, on our laptops, on our computer, then we have that option. So privacy settings, then that's it, and then click that one and we will be brought to this window. So we have all these privacy options, and we can change this anytime we want to. Whether we want to on some of these options or turn it off, it's up to us, but we have these options. So this part here, change privacy options, this is general, but we have this speech, inking, typing, and diagnostic activity, and we have this app permission, location, camera, microphone, notification, account information, contacts, calendar, call history, and so on and so forth. These are the things that include in our privacy options. So if we want not to be like tracked, especially with the just like this one, let apps use advertising ID to make ads more interesting to you based on your app usage. So we have this. So that's why sometimes if there are advertisements that the Microsoft wants to send us, we are informed, we will be notified because of this option. So if you want to turn this off, then it will reset our ID. That means we will not be tracked, and the Microsoft could not send us some advertisements. And let websites provide local relevant content by accessing my language list. So here, this would also be turned off if you want to, and this could also be turned on if you want to. It's up to us. Let Windows track app launches to improve start and search results. So this also, if we turn this on, this also would let Windows track some of our app launches, that were apps that we launched. And this also, anyway, this would also help them to improve the products. But if you want not to send this, then we can have the option send show me suggested content in the setting app. So these are the things that we could choose, we could change for our privacy options, and it's all up to us. And here the location, if you don't want to be located, if you don't want to be tracked where we are at this time, then we have this change for this device is on, so we can change it, or we can just drag this one to the left side and it will be turned off. So if you want to have our location, or the Microsoft or some other products or apps could send or give information where we are, as it is turned on, then the location is on and they will know where you are. And of course, if you want to have that one on, if we also have these options, choose the apps that can use your precise location. So 3D blah 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 and blah blah blah. So if you want to have this on, only the camera, if you want to let others know where you are and your camera, then you can turn this on. If you don't want it, you don't like it, then turn it off. So these are the apps that you could choose from to let them know your location. So it's turned off in my case. And of course, camera, microphone, notification, and account information. So this account information is very important too, because the Microsoft could gather some of your informations, especially your account information, to be sent to the company. But if you turn this off, then everything will be turned here. But if you turn this on, since the default here in my computer, there's a Microsoft Edge and it's turned on, and I could manipulate this. I don't want the Microsoft Edge to know my location, then I turn this off. Then if I want Microsoft content to be turned on, then I have this one. It's all up to you. Just be careful what to send to the Microsoft, since they all have these options, and it's all up to us what to do, especially in our privacy options. So we have this account info, and I don't want to have to access my account info, the Microsoft, so I turn this off and everything will be turned off. And so on and so forth. There are still many things here: contacts, emails, tasks, messaging, radios, and so on and so forth. These are so many apps or app permissions wherein it could you could turn it off or on. It's all up to you. Just have to think which is which to be sent to the Microsoft. Since our privacy settings or our privacy is very important, especially whatever personal information, personal activities, or personal life that we do on our gadgets or in our computer, then we know which one is sent to the Microsoft company. So until here, and hopefully that you know this feature also of the Microsoft, so that you will know which one, what privacy information or what private information that you send to the Microsoft, as they gather this for the improvement of the products. And also some other companies, some other advertisers track your interest, and they could give you some suggestions for your interest that would probably you could get interested too. So that's it, and until here, and hopefully through this video you learn a lot also. You learn something, and that would also help you to be aware of this beautiful feature of Windows 10. So if you haven't subscribed yet, to continue following my series, keep on following by subscribing to my channel and click your notification bell so that you'll be notified if or I already uploaded new videos to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye everyone. God bless us all.